Today is the second last day of this program. We are working for assistive maintenance in the team Viper without an E. We all are very tensed. Today, we have to finalize the PPT, finalize the lines, practice everything.
My name is Arnav and I am a part of our company, Wendigo. We bring back the traditional experience of hand-picking our fruits and vegetables to our liking, to our doors, like Blinkit. We provide the street vendors a cart which has refrigerated storage, electrical motor like the EVs, so no pushing and no stress for them. Easy to maneuver. This also has a steering.
Our company is called VECT. We are a tech company that specializes in radar detection systems. So basically what we are trying to do is trying to make the everyday rider more safe. We are selling a radar system which basically allows for advanced rider safety. So we have proximity sensing, radar collision detection and audio haptic alerts on the handlebar itself.
Our team's goal is to create a bike that is ready for all monsoons and all types of extreme weather conditions faced during rain, such as waterlogging, heavy rain and water getting splashed from larger vehicles. We are pretty confident for our demo day and we hope it will all go good.
So we are very excited for tomorrow and we've already prepped everything. We were actually one of the first people to finish the pitch deck itself. So we're complete with the pitch deck and now we're just practicing for our pitch tomorrow.
And we're ready for the demo day. See you tomorrow.
This is our 4th season of Hero Young Innovators program at Hero, and my heartily welcome to all of you at our iconic Hero Motocorps Gurgaon plant. Mr. Sanjay Khan, Executive Vice President, Hero Motocorps.
Huge round of applause for all our participants.
I think the very ideation of this program is very innovative.
Thank you for the innovator team. You welcomed our kids with open arms.
It was a wonderful show everyone has put up.
This is, of course, one of its own kind.
हमने है